Hello everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and it's time for week 2 of Battle of the Stitches. It is week 2, and today is when I get to reveal a little bit of my project for a sneak peek and see if you can guess what I'm making. So let me tell you about the yarn that I'm using. The yarn that I'm using is I got this when I was in California with Shelly. It is the Barocco Ultra Wool 100% superwash wool. Okay. Now this one is the color number 3347 and it's called Cherry. So that's one of the colors. And then I have the next one, 3315, and this one is called Rose. And then 33125, and it's called Spruce. Now, when you look at it, it looks gray, but there are little splashes of this sprucey green that goes through it. So it's going to look gray on camera, but it has that little bit of evergreen splashed in there. So, excuse me, so sorry. So these are the 3 colors that I'm using for my Battle of the Stitches project. We're doing the track stitch, and stay tuned because after I show you my project, I'm going to put some clips in here. The lady that owns the store, or the store that I got this yarn from, is called Maisie Blue, and it is the cutest. It's a store in Murphy's, California, and it is just the cutest yarn store. And so after I show you the little sneak peek of my project, then I'm going to tell you a little bit about the store, and I'm going to attach some pictures to this video so you can see what the inside of this store looks like. So anyway, here's the sneak peek of what I'm making. This is what I have so far. Let me I'll show you the right side. Here's the double treble crochet in the pink, and then I'm separating that row with the row with the well, this is the rose with the cherry and the spruce. Okay, so this is what I have so far, and you guys can guess below in the comments what you think I'm making. So the Maisie Blue, again, is the name of the store, and it is neat. We talked, and the owner is absolutely fantastic. Her name is Kim, and she's the sweetest person. We talked and talked and talked and talked. Actually, she went. We talked so long that when we finished talking and looked at the time, it was about an hour and 15 minutes past the time that her store closes. We were like, "Oh no, we're so." And she was so sweet. She goes, "No, this conversation was great, and I appreciate it." So she was so sweet, and let me see. I lost my train of thought. Just a second. Oh, what she told me was I let her know that I was a content creator on YouTube, and so she allowed me to take pictures of her around her store. And she said, as long as you mention me in your video, so that's what I'm doing today as part of this video. And I want to mention her store and mention her because she was just amazing. So in the description box, I will also have a link to her website. You can shop online, and she will ship to you. So I will have a link to her website, and you can go check out the things that she has. But back to I gave her my information after I took some pictures and things. She took down my channel name because she has a group of ladies that comes in and knits, but they all want to learn. There's some of them that want to learn how to crochet, and she doesn't know how to crochet, so she can't teach them, and she hasn't been able to find anyone to do that. So she took down my channel, and she's going to share my channel with her ladies in her crochet group. So I'm so excited. I can't wait till they until they can get on here and hopefully have some content that they can use. And with that being said, there's some content that's going to be coming up that I'm going to do that's just starting out with the basics. I think I'm just going to create a whole playlist that is just basics of crochet and starts from the chain and on up. And so people who are new can go to that and you can learn to crochet. So anyway, like I said, I got to go through the store and look at things. She doesn't have just yarn and knitting and crocheting notions. She has books. She has a section for kids that have little stuffed animals, markers, colored pencils, coloring books, little arts and crafts section for kids. She has puzzles. She has a section of hand creams and hand lotions, stationery, pens. I mean, it's just a mixture of things. So let me know what you think I'm making in the comments, and stay tuned because next are going to be some pictures from her store. And like I said, I'll have the link to her website in the description box. So keep watching. I hope you enjoy the photos from the store, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. See you later, guys. Okay, so here's this side of the store. The camera cut off, and so I didn't get all of this like I thought I did. But look at these books, cotton yarn, tea books. Look at this, needles, knitting needles. I'll come back around this way, and we have some Barocco wool and alpaca. And here's some more cotton. Look at all these colors. Look, pastel heaven, guys. Pastel heaven. Look at these. Here's some more of the cotton. This is the Queensland coastal cotton. Coral reef. Oh, just beautiful. This store is just absolutely amazing. So this is it. It's the cutest yarn shop I've ever been in my life, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So stay tuned, and I will be coming back on here showing you the items that we bought today.